Now this two projects I'm combining in one video is Shopify two-way sync and Salesforce two-way sync. Okay, all companies who use Salesforce as their CRM, right? They typically have couple of use cases. One, you put data into Salesforce, and second, you consume data from Salesforce. So whenever there's an update in Salesforce, you want to be notified of the event and you want to do something in your system, which could even be like replicating Salesforce data or taking actions on top of the Salesforce data, like sending emails, running custom workflows, anything based on the event, right? Just like Debezium Kafka change data capture, here we are doing change data capture within Salesforce or Shopify in this project. So these two projects have two parts. One, ability to call Salesforce and Shopify as data sources, call their API, do stuff in their API, okay? Second is whenever data changes in their system, ability to consume it. So in Godspeed there's already a Salesforce plugin which you can use. It even listens on events from Salesforce. For Shopify you will need to develop data source as event source. So this will not only call Shopify APIs, but it will also listen on callbacks from Shopify. So you need to figure out how to listen on callbacks. It could even Salesforce triggers events. It has some other mechanism to, basically their SDK gives you events which are not webhooks, okay? But Shopify, I think, gives webhooks. You will need to investigate a little bit, but nonetheless, the second piece is whenever something changes in them, you capture the event and you do something on top of it. The first case could be just replicate the data onto your own system, okay? Do that, and we have a sample POC of a two-way sync. And yes, I forgot to add, my friends, this has to be done with Kafka, okay? So whenever you capture an event from them, throw it in a Kafka, and then there will be Kafka consumers who are replicating data. For example, this is one use case of consumer, no? Ki whenever Salesforce, some data changed, went to Kafka, and then somebody listened on Kafka and replicated that state on a local database, okay? Now another consumer could send an email or do whatever else and trigger another workflow, no? Write to Airtable, do whatever it can be done, okay? So yeah, this is two-way sync, Shopify and Salesforce. Shopify is for e-commerce and ERP related solutions. Salesforce is for CRM. Okay, thank you.